Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll explain how to navigate spreadsheets to edit and format cells for a beginner. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the core document of Excel is a workbook. So as you can see from here that this is our workbook. The whole of this is a workbook. An Excel workbook can hold any number of sheets. So we're on the first sheet here. So to create more sheets, we can come and click on this plus sign here, this circled plus sign here, and you see another sheet is open or created. So you can create as many as possible, and you can format them as well. You can rename it, you can color, you can do everything, right? So at any one time, only one sheet is active in a workbook. Like you're seeing here, sheet one is active while the others are inactive. So any sheet you select comes active, making the other one inactive. So it's only one active at a time. So for a beginner, what you should know is that each spreadsheet is graded into columns and rows. So columns are named alphabetically, like you're seeing here, A, B, C, D, and so on, while rows, which are horizontal, are named with numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. So when it comes to naming a cell, like we're seeing here, the left upper corner here, this cell here is called cell A1. Cell A1. Why is it called A1? It's called cell A1 because of the column being called A and then the row is 1. So the name of the cell is derived from the columns and rows where they intersect is where we get the name of the cell from. All right. So now that we know where the name of the cell comes from and what rows and columns are, let's go ahead and see how we can insert rows and columns, right? So you come and uh, click on this, select the column, then right click, and then you come down to the drop down here and select insert. Then boom, you would have inserted a new column. Then for a row, if you want to insert, you do the same thing, select, right click, and then insert. Then you would have inserted a new row. So this one here, this A1 here, comes now to A2 because you have inserted a new row up here. So it's very easy, right? So that's it. So let's move into the most important part, the command area. Hmm, which I really like to take you through, and then you really understand them well. So if you understand this really well, Excel is going to be very easy for you because this is where you will mostly interact with to carry out your Excel operations down here on the worksheet. So using the file menu, and you come and click on it here, you can open new or saved workbooks. You can save, print, or close workbooks or manage the Excel options. So you can do all those that with the file menu. So that's it. Very, very simple. You can come and do all those things here, saving, naming, opening new, all those you do them from here. Then the home ribbon here, this one here is where you'll adjust the appearance and the data types, like everything you need to know and do from here. So the ribbon is split into tabs where the commands are organized into logical groups. These ribbons are the home, insert, page layout, formula. So like the way you're seeing anything that you need to insert something. Let's say you need to insert a chart, you'll come and insert them from here, insert tables, everything. You want to carry out the page, like carry out page formatting, where you come to this ribbon here, you'll find all the formattings there. You want to do formulas, you get here data, everything, the view help. So everything is here up here in the command area. Just very, very easy. It's just you need to know how to interact with them, need to know where to find what you're looking for, and then Excel will be very, very easy for you as a beginner. So you don't need to worry. The things are created to make life easy, not make life hard. So they're really very, very simple to use. As a beginner, you don't need to worry at all, right? They're very, very user friendly. All right. So coming down here, we have this fx here, the insert function. So you can come and click on it, and then you get to insert your Excel function wherever you want to insert it. For that case, it would be the active cell you would have selected. Then we have the formula bar here. So for the formula bar really shows what's in the active cell. So let's say you've entered a very very long formula in the active cell, let's say cell B5. You wouldn't be able to see all of it in that cell. For that case, maybe let's say using an if function to carry out some logical test or command. So it won't show all very like here on the cell, on the active cell. So you come to your formula bar and you'll see it, no matter how long it is, whether it has like 70 characters, the formula bar will display it all and you'll be able to see it very well. And in case you happen to get an error, you'll be able to correct it very, very fast because you'll be able to see it very well because to be displayed up here. So that is it basically for today's video. And if you really like the video, please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on such content whenever I drop them in this channel. Thank you.